Rephrasing how you praise your toddler can help them develop a growth mindset, which is when they believe their intelligence and capabilities can grow the more they learn. Good job! You're so smart! You're so good at that! Who doesn't love hearing that? Giving positive encouragement means a lot to your toddler, and it feels good to you too. But research discovered if you use certain types of encouraging language, it may actually make your little one feel less motivated to persist, take risks, and try new things. When you say, "You're so smart," to your toddler, you're praising them for something that they don't believe they can control. They either believe they are smart or not smart. Carol Dweck, a psychology professor at Stanford University, calls this fixed mindset, in which people believe their successes are a result of, and limited to, their innate talent or smarts. Instead, you can encourage your child to believe that their intelligence, capabilities, and talents can grow the more they learn. This is called a growth mindset, and children who have it tend to persevere through more difficult tasks. You might be thinking, isn't this heavy stuff something I can worry about later? I mean, they are only toddlers. But the same research shows this can make a difference starting as early as 18 months. And if you can get in the habit of praising your toddler's efforts, it will be easier for you as your child gets older. We know it can feel like there are so many rules with children these days, and we certainly don't want you to feel overwhelmed. These tips are just information for you to reference if you choose to apply this within your home. Try to praise the process or effort versus praising the person. Instead of, "You're a superstar," say, "I see you are working really hard on balancing." Describe what you see. Instead of, "You're so good at coloring," say, "Look at all the colors you are using." When your toddler seems proud, talk about how you feel. If your toddler throws trash away, instead of, "Thank you, good job," you can try, "It feels so good to have help cleaning up." Use neutral words. "Wow, look at that," or "fun," are ways to be excited and encourage your toddler in a more neutral way.